This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Yandy Perez. Nice, well-maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a bonus den/office. Located in the desirable Northwest Tampa area, this home offers versatile floor plan with a great room/family room open to the kitchen and a large backyard with over a 1/4 acre. The kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances, wood cabinets, granite countertops and large window near the eat-in area. The granite backsplash adds just the right touch to the kitchen. Ceramic tile and crown modeling throughout most of the home. Beautiful master ensuite offers granite countertops, wood cabinets, dual sinks and walk-in shower. Every day is a spa day in this gorgeous bathroom. The second bedroom is across from the 2 full bath, providing privacy from the master. Off of the kitchen is a third room that would work as an additional bedroom/office/study. Laundry with washer and dryer included. Sliders lead out to an expansive wooden 38 by 20 deck. Enjoy and entertain on the large deck overlooking the extra large fully fenced backyard, or relax and unwind near the fire pit on cooler Tampa nights. Terrace is located off West Hillsborough Road for easy access to downtown Tampa International Airport, the Veterans Expressway and a very short drive to Pinellas County and Gulf beaches. Did I mention no HOA or CDD fees with this one? New roof to be installed prior to new ownership for added peace of mind. Newer electric water heater and HVAC fan motor was recently replaced and serviced. Interior recently refreshed with new paint. Hardwired security cameras included. Don't miss your opportunity to own this gem. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details.